Hey guys, Derek Love Your Home here. Today we're going to be talking about laser levels, and I have here possibly the most affordable slash best laser level for the price. So let's jump in, unbox this, and check it out. All right, let's unbox it and see what we think. This laser level is by BIO-TH, and let's see what it looks like. So it comes with instructions here. Here's the laser level. Comes with some batteries. And looks like a mounting bracket. It's magnetic. So you could stick it on something like a corner bead. If you have a metal corner bead, that's what I would imagine this is for. Put that here. Comes with batteries, so you don't have to buy your own. This is a nice little styrofoam case. Let's see what this is. It must be to mount the level. And here is the laser level by BIO-TH. And nice, it's pretty small, but it looks like it's well built. All right, now that I have it all opened up and kind of set up with the batteries, checked it out a little bit so I can explain it. This thing is actually really cool. So I don't know if you've used a laser level before. I've had a little experience with them. I've always really wanted one. Now I finally have one thanks to BIO-TH. All right, so let's get in depth on this thing, show you how to use it. So here it is. It's got a lock and unlock button, so that way, that's basically how you turn it on. And when you have it level, it doesn't beep. Right now, it's not beeping because it's on this counter. And let me just show you a little bit here. You can see the line is all the way around the room. And if it's off level, like this, it starts beeping, being like, hey, you gotta get this leveled out. Now it's completely level. There's this button here at the top. Looks like that's how you control the brightness of the level, the laser. So it's really dim right now. If I keep pressing it, it gets brighter and brighter. Of course, the brighter it is, the longer, or the less time the batteries will last. And flashing. But look at that, it's even up on the ceiling. How cool is that? So I think I'll keep it here on the brightest setting, just for viewership. All right, I'm just checking this out. How straight are my door frames here? They look relatively straight. This is pretty neat. So if you ever wanted to do like a board and batten wall, you could set it up here and yeah, be very, very easy. If you want to do like chair rail, it'd make it so much easier. It wraps all the way around here. There's just so many possibilities. This would be, it even goes into my half bath there. It's like working its way around. Isn't that crazy? Everywhere. It's like every direction. So cool. When you want to shut it off, you just press the lock button and it's off, no longer in use. Again, when you want to turn it on, you just flip on the on switch. You can see the line shows up there on the door. And when it's off, like when it's off level, it beeps letting you know this is, it's not working, this isn't level. It's level. Keep it there. I think this is really nice. Let's try out the mounting hardware. Oh. All right, so now let's put on this mounting hardware. It's magnetic, like I said, you can put it somewhere that's metal. If my home here has corner beads that are metal, it should work on those as well. Nice. This kind of self-levels at some point. I mean, it's going to self-level somewhat, so even if you don't have it completely leveled out. It should level itself out. It wants to level itself out. Look at that. Perfectly level. And I can tell right now, I can tell right here, just standing looking at my cabinets, they're not 100% level. And I didn't notice that before, but it's very apparent using this tool. And here we are. I have it mounted to a tripod. This isn't the best, sturdiest tripod ever, but you can kind of see here on my board and batten wall if I had it perfectly level or not. So looks like it's really close, and I didn't do that with a laser level, but I'm gonna say it would have been a lot easier if I did. I have a half bath here that I'm planning on adding some beadboard kind of chair rail to here soon, along with some wallpaper, and this will make it extremely easy getting everything leveled out. So now you might be watching this video because you're looking to buy a laser level or how to use one, or just more information on them if you should buy one or not. This affordable laser level will definitely do the job. It does everything you want and honestly more for the price. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to buy one. They are very affordable. Why don't you go check it out and see for yourself. I don't know what the price is at the time that you're watching this video. It could differ from when I recorded. So I'll let you check out the link, and you can buy these on Amazon. So you know, if you know about Amazon, stuff gets to you pretty quick. Anyways, if you're looking to get a laser level and you're thinking, what would I use that for? You can use it for so many things. Like I said, board and batten walls. You can use it for installing cabinetry. You could use it for leveling out your outlets if you're installing new outlets in a home. Most old homes do not have level outlets. They didn't have these back in the day, and you'll find really quick that your outlets are probably not leveled out. So if you're looking to do anything like install outlets, maybe finish out your basement, re-drywall a room, this would be a great tool for that. There's so many things you can use it for, so many things I'm probably not even thinking of. Heck, you could just use it for installing shelves in your living room if you want every picture frame in your house 100% straight. It's just a quick, easy tool for that. You don't have to whip out your level and adjust it. You'll just set this up and get it straightened out right away. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I encourage you to go check it out. It helps me out, it helps the company out, and it helps you out next time you're doing a project. So, all right, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button, leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.